to protect yourself from bullies. What's up, nerd? Oh. First things first, get up. First, you gotta kick both knees, punch them, run away. Boom, boom, a knee. Boom, other knee, make them fall. Oh. Second step. If they're on the ground, you push them down and you push them. And you punch them in the back. Like this. Look. I'll show you. Help me. Third step. Get up. Get the little cheeks and that's like the little grandma. Help step. Signature step.
Help me! Help me! Help!
Choke them. Like this. That's how you protect yourself from bullies.
So, seems that you guys have subscribed a lot, so she survived from the ninja.
Subscribe even more, because he
Because
might
we
attack me.
called the cops on the ninja.
Because he might attack me. Subscribe, please, so he doesn't attack me. Bye.
No!
How to protect yourself from bullies.
Oh,
Hi-ya!